There are many ways to earn money online, and here are some tips and tricks to help you get started. Find your niche. Whether it's writing, design, or coding, it's essential to figure out what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Once you know your niche, you can start looking for opportunities that fit your skills and interests. Build a portfolio. To showcase your skills and attract potential clients, it's important to have a portfolio that highlights your best work. You can create a website or use platforms like Behance or Dribbble to showcase your portfolio. Use freelance platforms. There are many freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where you can find work opportunities. Be sure to create a strong profile, highlight your skills and experience, and set reasonable rates. Offer your services on social media. Can be a great platform to promote your services and connect with potential clients. You can create a business page on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter and share your work with your followers. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you're passionate about a particular topic, starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a great way to monetize your passion. You can make money through advertising, sponsored content, or by selling products related to your niche. Take online surveys. Many companies offer paid surveys to get feedback on their products and services. While you won't earn a lot of money doing this, it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Sell products online. You can sell products online through platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. You can sell handmade goods, vintage items, or even digital products like e-books or courses. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can earn money through affiliate marketing. You promote products or services and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students around the world. You can use platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or Schooly to find tutoring opportunities. Virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need virtual assistants to help them with tasks like email management, scheduling, social media management, and more. You can find virtual assistant jobs on freelance platforms or create your own website offering your services. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on a variety of topics. Stock trading. You can make money by trading stocks online through platforms like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or E-Trade. However, it's important to understand the risks involved and do your research before investing. Online writing. You can earn money by writing articles, blog posts, or website content for businesses and websites. You can find writing gigs on freelance platforms or create your own website offering your writing services. Remember, to be successful in earning money online, it's important to be disciplined, dedicated, and persistent. Continuously improve your skills, network with other professionals in your industry, and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Good luck! Thanks for watching.